Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the scope, what story you must tell and what footage types prove it. Once defined, assemble a source list, public archives, broadcasters, stock portals, and personal collections, and prioritize by legal accessibility. Make sure to set technical specs early. Resolution, aspect ratio, codecs, and timecode logging rules so you won't scramble later. These first actionable steps get you searching with purpose and prevent wasted downloads or unusable formats. Now you move into active searching and assessment. Use precise keywords, date filters, and Boolean modifiers to narrow results. Focus on licensed or public domain content first. Once you find candidates, preview proxies to confirm framing, continuity, and usable audio. Mark exact in /out timecodes. Simultaneously record metadata, source, creator, license terms, and any contact info for clearance. Doing this mid-process triage saves editing time and makes rights clearance straightforward, so you can build a usable clip shortlist. Finish by acquiring high-resolution masters and obtaining explicit written permissions for any restricted material. Do not rely on implied consent. Once you have files, rename them with a consistent schema, generate proxies, and back up to 2 different locations immediately. Import into your project with tags for rights status and intended use. If clearance stalls, pivot quickly. Replace with public domain clips, Creative Commons alternatives, or stage a low-cost reenactment. Troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.